Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Steven. We're back with my girlfriend Chelsea, and we are hiking the Escondido Waterfalls. So in today's video, we're gonna show you how to make it up here. It's a pretty easy hike, 1.7 miles, and if there's rain or it's been raining, there'll definitely be a waterfall. Well, it started to rain. I hope you guys can hear us. It's super fun, and you want to come after some rain, or I guess during some rain too. If you're not already, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get hiking. So this is the start of the trail. Don't take the road, that's a private road. Just take your left and let's do it.
The less of your body weight.
Maybe if we walk on the grass. Oh,
You all right,
yeah, I'm good.
That was gonna happen to one of us. It's probably not the first time it's gonna happen.
I know. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I might as well just slide.
All right, so during this junction, you'll make a left, and then that'll take you to the falls. Try not to fall. She thinks she's the boss.
I don't know if I can.
Hey, little dude.
Fun adventure.
Wow.
Where's the trail? Is it close?
I think it's to the right.
Okay.
Are they jumping? It sounds like they're swimming.
No way.
Made it. With my product line, just getting an endorsement. All right, so as you're making your way down the trail, you'll have this junction here. You want to make a right, and then that'll take you back to the road, which will take you back to the parking lot. When you make it to the signpost, make your right, and that'll take you back to the trail.
Oh, how pretty.
All right, everybody, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. And if you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. By the way, there is a small parking lot at the trail, but it's $12 to park. So we found some parking just across the street and we didn't have any issues with that. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.